On August 12th, 2025, Chattanooga was underwater. But this city's been here before. 6 inches of rain in a single day, the second wettest on record since 1879. But this storm joins a long line of disasters the river has brought here. 2003, Brainerd Road turned into a muddy canal. 1973, nearly 37 feet of floodwater swallowed neighborhoods whole. 1917, downtown vanished under the Tennessee River, bridges disappearing into the current. But none of it compares to the spring of 1867, when the river rose 58 feet above normal. The worst flood in Chattanooga's history, a wall of water that wiped out homes, bridges, and entire blocks of the city. 150 years later, the water still comes. And on Chattanooga's forgotten roads, history doesn't stay buried, it rises.